Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing the largest swipe that I've ever done, and then I'm going to finish off the painting by adding a cute turtle stencil to it. To help create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 2 drops of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. The reason I added 2 drops of silicone oil today instead of my usual 1 is just because I have more paint in each of the cups than I typically do. Each of the base paint colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus the silicone oil that you saw me add earlier. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to swipe, and I'm just dragging it along very slowly and gently. This canvas is quite large. It's 24 by 28 inches. That's roughly 46 by 61 centimeters. And it feels quite different to be doing such a big swipe. My arms feel like they are so far apart, and I feel like I'm needing to lean so far forward over the canvas to be able to swipe across the whole canvas. Now that the background is nice and dry, I'm attaching this cute turtle stencil to the canvas using some painter's tape. I've had this stencil on the shelf for a while now, so I'm excited to finally be using it today. I find that when I just use paint with a stencil, I don't get nice clean edges. For me, there are always places where the paint sort of leaks underneath the stencil slightly. So to help me get nice clean edges, I'm using a Posca pen to outline all the sections of the stencil. And then after I've got a nice neat border, I'm using the pen to fill in the smaller areas. And then For the larger areas, I'm creating a nice thick outline and then using a paintbrush to fill in the center. With everything outlined and a lot filled in, I am curious to see what the overall, picture is looking like. So I want to check if I have those nice neat edges that I'm hoping for, and I want to do that sooner rather than later, because if the pen dries too much, then I won't be able to wipe it off with a damp cloth anymore, and I'll be stuck with whatever I've got on the canvas. Okay, so I'm actually really happy with this. The edges look pretty good, and I don't think I'm going to have to do anything to clean them up, so that is great. I do need to go ahead and finish this off though, so I'm just going to make each of these lines a bit thicker and decide if I need to do anything else after that. You might recall that I had actually added the eye initially, but then I had second thoughts and thought maybe I should just wipe the eye off and do it again at the end. So that's what I did. I wiped it off while it was still wet, and then obviously I'm doing it again now. I like the nice big cells down here. And I think the turtle looks very cute. I think I may have to try another painting using the stencil. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.